Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Parvati here from Paro's Craftology. Today we'll be making this cute DIY Valentine's Day gift. So let's get started. I'm using a heart-shaped MDF base here and this sheet from Enchanted Blooms 2, a 12 by 12 paper pack collection by Craft Angles. I just use the MDF as my stencil and draw out the heart, and using my scissors I just cut it out like this. And to adhere the paper I'm using acrylic soft gel by Craft Angles. This will ensure that my paper is stuck onto my base without any problem. Just to ensure that it is adhered properly, I press it using my hands, and not to dirty it much I will be using a tissue paper and just roughly rub it through. Now I'll use this varnish. So this is a decoupage varnish by Craft Angles. This will ensure that my paper is protected and has a glossy finish to it. Next I'm using this chalky paint from Craft Angles. The shade is chocolate syrup, and onto that I'm adding carbon black, permanent red and permanent orange liquid acrylics. So why I'm mixing is to get a very dark burnt sienna kind of a shade that will complement with my paper pack. And I have these small cute MDF cutouts with me, which I'll be coloring using the color mix that I created. Now why I used chalk paint is it has good adhering capacity and it brings in some opacity to my medium. Now with the left out colors I'm just edging my heart like so and adding some splatters to create more interest in the background. Now using this punch I punched out two small hearts from a glitter foam sheet and arranging all my elements on the heart base like so. Now the small hearts that we cut out using the punch, I am just placing them like this to add some dimension and cuteness to the project. The flower I'm using here is from Prima Marketing. And this is the base. Just to add more details, I added a butterfly and this miniature set to complete the project. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Till we meet again, it's Parvati signing.